In this video, I'll show you how to make your Canon MF3010 print faster. Okay, so it has two speeds. Not many people know that. I'll show you how to change it in the settings. It only takes a few seconds. So obviously the printer needs to be turned on, and then you need to press this button on the left side once, and then you're gonna need to go through all these numbers and letters with the plus symbol button until you see 1. When you see the 1 icon here, you're gonna press on this right side green button once, and it will switch to the letter P. This is it. We can now exit the menu by pressing this button again, and now you're ready to print, and you're gonna notice a difference. It's not blazing fast, but it's slightly faster. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.